Class 8 Exercise 1F Rationalization. Rationalization, the process of converting it into an equivalent expression whose denominator is a rational number by multiplying its numerator and denominator by a suitable number is called rationalization. Exercise 1F Algebra. The rationalizing factor of a denominator in 1 by 2 plus root 3. If it comes like this, we have to multiply the same number but with opposite symbol. Plus is here, we have to multiply by minus. In case 1 by root 7 is there, in that condition, we can write it as root 7 into root 7 because only one root is there. So with same number we have to multiply. Root 7 into 1 is root 7 and root 7 into root 7 is 7. Question number 2, same way. Root 5 divided by 2 root 3. So root is here. We have to multiply root 3 from both the sides, numerator as well as denominator. 5 3s are 15, that is in under root. 2 and 2 root 3 you will make it as 3. So 3 2s are 6. Question number 3, 1 by 2 plus root 3. Multiply same number but with opposite symbol. Plus is here, we can multiply by minus. So 2 minus root 3. This we got a formula. Can you see here? A plus b, a minus b, which becomes as a square minus b square. The 2 square is equals to 4 and 3 square equals to 3. On top the same number you will get it. 4 minus 3 as 1. See here, question number 1, number 4. 1 by root under 5 minus 2. So we have to multiply same number but with opposite symbol. Minus is here, we have to multiply by plus. Root 5 plus 2 into 1 we will get the same number. And here we have got formula a minus b, a plus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. Root 5 square is 5 and 2 square is 4. So at last you will get it as root 5 plus 2 by 1. Same way here also, but here we have got number, that is 4. 4 root and divided by root 11 minus root 7. So multiply same number, minus is here, we have to multiply by plus. 4 multiplied same number. We can see here again formula a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. Root 11 is 11, root 7 is 7. We got it 4 here. Can we cut this too? Because both of them are common over here. At last we got our answer as root 11 plus root 7. We can solve same way. We have got this answer question 1 plus root 2 divided by 2 minus root 2. So multiply same number but with opposite symbol. Minus is here, we have to multiply by plus. Both the numbers we have to multiply by here. So first 1 multiplied by 2 plus root 2. Again plus root 2 multiplied by 2 plus root 2. But here we have got formula a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. 1 multiplied 2, 2, root 2 into 1 root 2. 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2 is equals to 2. Here you see 2 2s are 4 and root 2 square is 2. We can add these two. 2 plus 2, that is 4. And if nothing is here, that means we have got 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. And from 4 if we minus 2, we will get it 2. Look here, same way this also. 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 3 plus 2 root 2. Again multiply same number. Plus is here, so we have to multiply by minus. This means that 3 multiplied by both the number minus 2 root 2 multiplied by both the numbers. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 root 2, 3 2s are 6 root 2 and 2 2s are 4, 2 root 2 makes 1 2, that is equals to 8. 3 square is 9 and this square is 8. 9, 10, 17, 2 root 2 by 1. Same way it is given over here. But in question number 3 we have to find out its value and values are also given in question number 3. It is mentioned there. The 2 root 5 question is 2 root 5. So how can we solve? First of all, we can see that root 5 is here, so multiply by the same number. The 2 root 5 and 2 root 5 makes 5 here. In place of root 5, we have got value 2.236. First multiply these two numbers, then divide by 5. You will get your answer as 0.8944. Now see here, we have got this our question. 2 minus root 3 by 3. Root 3 is here, rationalized by the same number. When this root 3 is multiplied by both the number, you will get it as 2 root 3 and minus 3. Because root 3 makes here 3. In place of root 3, we have got our value as 1.732. To multiply these two numbers, then subtract 3. When we multiply these two, we will get it as 3.464 minus 3. When we subtract it, we will get it as 0.464 divided by 3000. So what is our answer? Here it has been asked only about 3 digit. 4 digit is more than 5. This is more than 5. This 4 becomes 5 over here. Look here, same way, question number 3. Root 5, 10 minus root 5 by 2. The root is given here 2. Multiply by the same number. 10 2s are 20, 5 2s are 10. 2 root 2 makes 2 here. So 20 value is not given 20. So we can write it as 2 into 10 minus root 10 divided by 2. So root 2 value is given here, root 10 also value is given here. Root 10 over here. First multiply these two, or you can take out common as I have done. I found that both of them are common here, so I have taken out as a common. This side I got it as 1.414. If nothing is left, that means 1 is there. Easily you can write this number, and if you subtract 1 by this, you will get it 0.414. Either you can cancel here, or you can multiply both the numbers and divide by 2. Same condition over here. More than 5 it is, or 5, that means this will increase. See here, root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1. We have to find it as a plus b root 2. So again here you see plus is here, multiply by minus. Both of them, if you are multiplying the same numbers, these two we have to multiply by both of them, and this one we have to multiply by both the numbers. Here we got our formula a plus b, a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. Root 2 into root 2 will get it as 2. 2 into 1, same way as we have done earlier. We got our answer as 3 minus 2 root 2b, and it was asked as a plus b. See, in here a we have got it as 3. In place of p, it is attached with root 2. So what value is here? Minus 2. Same way, here also we can solve. The same question is given over here. Plus is there. We have to multiply by minus. Same way we have to multiply. Whatever answer we got it, that is root 5a. So with root 5 what we have got? 4. That means a is 4. B, what we have got? 9, minus 9. We can easily solve this. Question number 3 and number 4, first you try it by yourself, because same way we have to solve it. Here also, question number 5, number 1. First we have to rationalize root 5 plus root 6 plus root 5. Rationalize by the same number, but the symbols are different. Here I have done mistake. This should be 5. See here, a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. I got this number, and the values are given over here. Easily you can subtract, you will get your answer. All the values are put here, and then whatever the things are there, just you rationalize, and the question's values will be given there in your question. You can easily find out from there. Just see question number 6. Questions are given here. it is given as root 48. So first you try to factorize those numbers. We can see that we can write it as 48 as 4 root 3 and 18. When we factorize, we'll get it as 3 root 2. Plus is there, change into minus. Same way, first number multiplied by both number, second number multiplied by both number. And here we have got formula a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. After solving this, you will get your value. So till question number 6, you can solve it.